Hi from California. I'm back to my river, Kern River, and I planning to play with new tool. But here you see, and I want to do the test, how that tool works and everything. And I decided to come between those rocks. There is a little amount of gold, not a lot, just to play. And I want to test my new idea to see how everything works. Can I catch the gold or not? So we will see. So I'll be going right now down between those rocks over there. There is little space, and I set my tool, and we will see what I get. Okay, weather is beautiful, it's hot, and not so cold, so I like it, and I be doing some tests. All tools what I made before, they no work so good, so they losing gold, and that is my main problem. Why I don't like it, not even show you some tools which one don't work. And if you don't see video, means that tool which one I made it is no work. Okay, so time to go to river. Enough talking, need to start doing some work. This place where I be working is about this place over here a little bit between those rocks. Over here in the corners there is gold, but very little. But my point is to see how my tool works. Okay, so I right now going down. I try don't break my leg or neck and start working. Okay, like you see, river is strong this year. Not so much water, but is, and no flat area. What flat area just in this, on this rock. Everything else is no way to can put my tool. Everywhere problems. So I already got one bucket of sand, gravel, and I be do the test. I think I bring the tool and put it over here on this rock. We'll see. Put it next to the water, and now I putting water inside the bucket. Okay, and then I be washing all my material here, and extra water be coming in this valve over here. I have a valve right now, it's open, so as soon as water goes, fill it up and water starts coming out. You see? Okay, so now I be putting sand, washing, and we will see how everything works. Pump is inside the water over there, hiding, so everything looks like works. We can close it, so water comes out, left just that much, how much I need it. And then when you put the material, oh, it's heavy, so we be shaking, and supposed to all black sand and gold sink all the way to the bottom. Okay, and we'll see how everything works. Let me work it. So right now, how we're panning, not panning right now, I just try to wash this material and classify. Okay, I'm putting one scoop in, and then I'm putting in the water, classifying. Okay, like this. The rest goes back to where it belongs. So all the bucket I need to do the same way. So let me work right now. We'll see what's happening next. The first bucket is over. This is the last piece. I'll be washing the same way, everything. The water coming all the time. I'm washing that gravel. Small particles goes down, including gold and black sand, and then rest slowly coming out. See, lot of quartz. I wish there be a lot of gold. So right now I be putting this one part, everything. And there I started, and now this one. Take it out and we'll see how everything works. So right now I'm increasing water flow, so it washes all this dirt. Then I a little bit move it. It's heavy. Need to figure out how to do that one too. Okay, so let him work. Even I'm putting a lot, it's going overflow, so I don't need a lot. Let's go slowly. And I'm getting ready to put another bucket, fill it up. Okay, so if I turn it off water, we'll see how much left. It goes water fast. Okay. It's half a bucket of this sand. So later on I shake it, make everything go down, and we'll see what we get it. If not, I need to make some kind of moving all the time, some kind of motor put move that dirt. But for right now, okay, this is experiment, so we'll see what. I don't see any black sand on the top, so means it's good. Everything goes in the bottom. Okay, finish second bucket, fill it up. All took it almost everything. There is still a lot, but I think 2 buckets shows me. Maybe 1 more bucket I make what there. I see the nice gravel, and then I have what to compare, what I can get from 3 buckets of gravel. So you see one place, second place, and I maybe do that. This one, third place. It looks like nice too. You see gravel. So need to dig it for here. So we'll see. Maybe not even here a little bit. Take it. Third. We'll see. Let's go to work. Experiment. I got a half a bucket. Right now I be panning, collecting just black sand. If it's gold, it goes with black sand. And I just take black sand home, and then at home dry it out and fix it. So I touch it, got it sand from here and from here. Over there I'm not taking today. Third bucket I don't want to. I need to get to drink water. I didn't bring it with me, so now I need to go home and we'll see what's happening next. Okay, we'll see how much I got gold from those 2 buckets. So let's go. Just made it half a road to the hill. All this dangerous place. You see how big rocks and everything. Every one of them moving. You step wrong, you fell down. Oh. So I take a break a little bit in the shade because on the sun is very hot today. I forgot water. And now I have a problem. I want to get some water. I'm thirsty. But nothing can be done till I go home. Well, this crow flying around me, thinking maybe I have something. Beautiful place. Okay, need to go up. I need to bring all that sand back home, because when I started panning in this sand, no black sand. Almost nothing, barely something. So then I decided to bring it home and pan it with my black sand, and that be best so far. Okay, so let me add some sand. Okay, I have a full bottle of the sand, so I'm not scared to put a little bit more, because that sand helps me to recover gold. Okay, and look how easy. Okay, Gold is more heavy than black sand. It sinks underneath the bottom of this black sand, so that way we no worries to lose the gold, because you see everything covered in black sand. Okay, gold is underneath that sand. So if you put little bit more sand without black sand, without any problems, you can pan it nicely. That gravel, how say that river sand, and recover gold. So right now I'm not removing, I just try to remove all this regular sand, and it looks like I'm almost there. And then I add another scoop of dirt without even looking. Do we have gold? Oh yeah, I can see gold. You can see right away. What is this? Few specks I can see. Okay, so I adding another spoon, and that way I be panning, adding a little bit more sand, black sand. Okay, after I collect that black sand back, but right now for panning I needed all the sand here. Okay, shaking, 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 making gold go down, then throw this top part, and that way we panning till we see the black sand on the end. Okay, and gold be always on the bottom. So that is the beauty of this work with this black sand, that you don't lose the gold. All gold sinks right away in the bottom, so no need to worry. Okay, see how fast. Again, left just mostly black sand, but still they're coming from the bottom, this regular sand. Okay, just shaking, shaking, shaking. Black sand sinks in the bottom, and regular sand goes on the top, you see. And then we're washing that regular without any problems. Gold don't go because it's covered in the black sand on the bottom. So that way I love it, this kind of method. Okay, so let me work on all this bucket, and then on the end I show you what I get. Okay, from 2 buckets of dirt. Okay, I finished panning. All the black sand is here. Now I just to dry it, put in oven and dry it out, and then I can use electromagnet to collect every sand 2-3 times, and what's left will be gold and some little sand. That is no problem because it's quartz or some kind of other metals, which ones no big deal, they dissolve in this hydrochloric acid. Okay, I go dry it out this one more time, collecting black sand, like do 2-3 times like that, then all black sand sticks or gold stays. Okay. One more time. My gosh, it's all sticks that sand to this magnet so easy. Okay, one more time. And then we do panning. Okay. A lot less. But there's still a little bit. Let's put everything now just sand, which one not magnetic supposed to be. And we will see, do we catch any more black sand in here. If not, we just do the panning. Looks like nothing more sticks to the magnet. Okay, so we go pan it now. Let's do panning. Work with that little amount. Okay, easy. From 2 buckets of sand, gravel from the river, I got this much gold. Okay, this a little bit bigger than microscopic gold, but is there some? And here, everywhere. So need to pan a little bit more. Let me try to figure out how to pan it without black sand. Pan it, that much gold I got it from 2 buckets. That way, why I say we need to make a tool that we can recover that gold, that small gold like I see here, and then we can get a little bit bigger amounts, because I didn't spend a lot of time, just 2 buckets of gravel, and that much gold I got it. Of course, this is very small gold. Need to work a little bit more to get all that gold out. But you see, it's possible to get it. Okay. So this is a small plate. Over here, the big one is a lot of microscopic. I can't even recover that microscopic. So this goes straight to the chemicals, aqua regia, and we'll see what I can recover. This will be very little, but still I put an aqua regia, will recover everything. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. It's more important is make a tool. If you have a good tool, we can get a gold. This is not a lot, but you know, I didn't work a lot. It's just like half hour time, and if you work all day, you can get about 5 to 10 grams of gold. So okay, I wish you have fun too with me. So let's go transfer this to the bottle and order do it in the aqua regia, and we'll see what we get it.